Hello to all. We are doing chapter 32 of Greg Shortened Book Anniversary Edition, page number 137. Let's start the lesson. Article: practical, physical, musical, medical, technical. Second is politic, political, politically, critic, critical, critically. Third, personality, locality, formality, facility, utility. Next is fourth, formulate, formulation, speculate, speculation, regulate, regulation. Fifth, possibility, ability, sensibility, nobility, reliability, adaptability, visibility. Next, you are watching videos made by Saurabh Tripathi. Please like and subscribe the channel if you find the content useful. The sixth one is capacity, simplicity, ferocity, tenacity, scarcity, sagacity, electricity, electricity. Seventh, psychology, psychology, apology, analogy, physiology, theology, zoology, genealogy, mineralogy. Eighth, authority, majority, prosperity, security, sincerity, popularity, minority. Ninth is classification, specification, modification, notification, qualification, justification. Now we will do 10th one. 10th one is phonograph, photography, geography, lithography, stenography, typography, typographic. Next is 11th, telegraph, telegraphy, telegrapher, telegraphic, calligraphy. 12th, telegram, cablegram, radiogram, pilgrim, program. 13th one is forward, afterward, upward, backward, reward, boyhood, neighborhood, childhood. 14th is friendship, kinship, worship, courtship, hardship, township, partnership. 15th is fundamental, ornamental, supplemental, experimental, temperamental. Next is 16th calamity, extremity, serenity, divinity. Next is 17th domestic, artistic, drastic, elastic, fantastic. We have done. Now we will check all of them. Let's start. Article, practical, physical, musical, medical, technical. Okay, it's done. Next, political, politically, critical, critically. Okay, we have done this. Personality, locality, formality, facility, utility. Done. Formulation, formulate, formulation, speculate, speculation, regulate, regulation. Okay. Possibility, ability, sensibility, nobility, reliability, adaptability, visibility. Okay. Capacity, simplicity, ferocity, tenacity, scarcity, sagacity, electricity. Okay, done. Now 7th one, psychology, apology, analogy, physiology, theology, sociology, genealogy, mineralogy. Okay, done. Authority, majority, prosperity, security, sincerity, popularity, minority. Okay. 9th one, classification, specification, modification, notification, qualification, justification. Okay. Phonograph, photography, geography, lithography, stenography, typography, typographic. Oh, it is like this, typographic. Okay, done. Now 11th, telegraph, telegraph, telegraphy, telegrapher, telegraphic, calligraph, calligraphy, calligraphy. Next is telegram, cablegram, radiogram, pilgrim, program. Next is 13th, forward, afterward, upward, backward, reward, boyhood, neighborhood, childhood. Okay. Friendship, kinship, worship, courtship, hardship, township. It is township or not? Yes, it is township. Partnership, partnership is wrong. PTNERship, PTNERship, partnership. Okay. Fundamental, ornamental, supplemental, experimental, temperamental. Okay. Now calamity, extremity, serenity, divinity. Okay. Domestic, artistic, drastic, elastic, fantastic. Okay, we have done lesson number 32. Thanks for watching, or unit 32.